Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Rachael Ray cat food is probably one of the most popular choices for cat owners looking for a nutritious and delicious meal for their feline friends, and today we're diving deep into what makes this brand stand out in a crowded market. From its commitment to quality ingredients to its diverse range of formulas catering to various dietary needs and preferences, Rachael Ray's cat food line aims to provide a wholesome dining experience that your cat will prefer. We'll explore the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision for your beloved pet. Number 5. Nutrish Indoor Complete Chicken, Lentils and Salmon Recipe Dry Cat Food. Introducing a premium dry cat food specifically crafted for your indoor feline friend. It's packed with essential nutrients to keep them happy and healthy. This recipe features a delicious blend of chicken, lentils, and salmon, providing a taste cats love. It's made with high-quality ingredients for optimal well-being. Our unique whole health blend is designed to support an active mind, promote healthy digestion, and encourage a playful lifestyle. It provides everything they need to thrive. Formulated with omega-3 fatty acids, natural prebiotics, and protein, this food offers holistic nutrition. It's naturally made with added vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. Feel good about what you feed your cat. Every purchase helps support animals in need through the Rachael Ray Foundation, making a difference with every bag. What we like. This option focuses on a complete and balanced diet for indoor cats. It's formulated with a special blend to support digestion and an active lifestyle. If you're looking for a daily kibble that provides holistic nutrition and contributes to a good cause, this is a great choice. What people say. My cat loves this food and it has helped with her sensitive stomach. The ingredients are good quality and my cat enjoys the taste. This food has made a noticeable difference in my cat's coat and energy levels. Number 4. Nutrish Grain-Free Ocean Lovers Whole Health Blend. Give your feline friend a taste of the ocean with this premium grain-free wet food. It's packed with real fish or chicken and shrimp for a delicious meal they'll love. The primary ingredient is real chicken or fish, providing the protein your cat needs. This helps support healthy organs and maintain lean muscle mass. The high-quality lean protein in this wet food actively contributes to your cat's muscular health. Keep them active and strong with every serving. This natural cat food is enhanced with essential vitamins, minerals, and taurine. It provides complete and balanced nutrition for your beloved pet. Feel good about your purchase, as every buy helps support animals in need. We partner with the Rachael Ray Foundation to make a difference. What we like. This is a grain-free wet food option packed with real fish or chicken as the primary protein source. It's designed to support healthy organs and lean muscle mass. If your cat thrives on wet food, needs a grain-free diet, or you want to ensure they get high-quality protein, consider this. What people say. My cat's fur is even softer and he loves both the chicken lover and ocean lovers varieties of this food. I like that it uses real fish or chicken as the main ingredient and doesn't include fillers like corn or soy, which makes it feel like a healthier choice for my cat. The added vitamins and nutrients are also a nice bonus for overall health. My kitty loves this food and starts meowing as soon as it's being prepared. That doesn't happen with regular canned food and I like that I don't need to put a top on it. The foil covering folds over to keep fresh between meals. Number 3. Rachael Ray Nutrish Purrfect Broths Variety Pack. Introducing a delightful variety pack of wet cat food toppers. It offers a range of flavors to satisfy your cat's cravings. Crafted with real white meat chicken or flaked tuna and vegetables, these toppers are swimming in irresistible broths. They are a wholesome addition to any meal. These lickable treats not only provide a burst of flavor but also deliver tasty hydration. It's a perfect way to complement their regular food. The convenient pouches are designed for easy opening and pouring. Serving a delicious meal has never been simpler. You can feel good about serving these toppers, as they contain no grain, corn, wheat, or soy ingredients. It's pure, natural goodness for your cat. This variety pack includes classic chicken recipe, tasty tuna recipe, and creamy chicken bisque. There's a flavor to please every palate. What we like. This product is a grain-free wet food topper, perfect for adding extra flavor and hydration to your cat's meals. It comes in convenient pouches with a variety of irresistible broths. If you want to entice picky eaters, add moisture to their diet, or simply give them a special treat, these broths are ideal. What people say. You can actually recognize the food you're feeding your pet. We found the ingredients in Rachael Ray's food to be quite good, not a lot of fillers and junk. You can actually see the meat and vegetables that are in with the broth, and my cat absolutely devours it as a treat. Number 2. PAWUP freeze-dried quail egg yolk treats. Introducing our premium pet treats, made with only the finest quail egg yolks from free-range birds. Each bite delivers the pure essence of quail yolk, packed with high-quality protein. Our advanced freeze-drying technology preserves up to 96% of the essential nutrients found in fresh quail eggs. This ensures your pet receives a snack that is both delicious and incredibly nutritious. These treats are completely natural, free from rawhide, grains, and gluten. You can be confident that your pet is enjoying a pure and wholesome snack with no artificial additives. Ideal for both cats and dogs, these treats are a fantastic choice for training, as a special snack, or even as a meal topper. They cater to the natural dietary preferences of carnivorous pets. You can serve these treats whole, crumble them for extra flavor, or rehydrate them to enhance their aroma. Explore our range for diverse flavors and complete nutrition for your furry friends. What we like. This is a unique, single-ingredient treat made from freeze-dried quail egg yolks. It's highly nutritious and great for skin and coat health. If you're seeking a pure, high-protein, and natural treat option for training or as a meal topper, this is an excellent, additive-free choice. What people say. Each ball is about the size of a whole quail egg, and they are packaged well. They can even help with dental health by supporting cleaner teeth and gums, so I decided to give it a try with my 2 cats. I'm also happy knowing this is a high-protein snack that helps keep them full and supports their overall health. Fur, skin, and even their nails seem to be in great shape lately. Number 1. Rachael Ray Nutrish Purrfect Entrees Wet Cat Food Variety Pack. Introducing a delightful variety pack of wet cat food, perfect for pleasing even the pickiest eaters. Each meal is crafted with care to ensure your cat enjoys a balanced and tasty dining experience. The primary ingredient in every cup is real meat, like chicken, tuna, or salmon, providing the high-quality protein your cat needs. It's a wholesome choice you can feel good about serving. This natural wet cat food is enhanced with essential vitamins, minerals, and taurine to support your cat's overall health. It's a complete and balanced meal designed for their well-being. You can rest assured knowing that these meals are free from grains, gluten, and fillers. We believe in providing pure nutrition without any unnecessary additives. We've also excluded poultry byproduct meal, artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. It's simply delicious, natural food your cat will love, with nothing artificial added. Each convenient 2-ounce cup provides the perfect portion for a single meal, ensuring freshness and minimizing waste. It's an easy way to serve a flavorful and nutritious meal every time. What we like. This is a grain-free wet food entree that uses real chicken, tuna, or salmon as the number 1 ingredient. It contains no fillers, byproducts, or artificial preservatives. If you're looking for a complete and balanced wet meal that prioritizes real meat and avoids common allergens and artificial ingredients, this is a solid option. What people say. My cat loves this food and eats it all up. This food has helped my cat with his sensitive stomach. The ingredients are good quality and my cat enjoys the taste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.